Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's first target hit, where it is likely headed on the way to the next all-time high. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including where Bitcoin is likely headed as it continues to tick up to a new all-time high. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 65, greed for the second consecutive day. Quite shocking considering we were at fear a couple weeks ago. The overall market sideways today. Bitcoin sitting just above $30,000 at 30,053, Ethereum at 1877, BNB at 243, XRP 49 cents, Cardano 29 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana 1660, and Tron 7 cents. And the top coins today based on AI would be Yearn Finance, Aave, Cosmos Hub, Phantom, and Multiverse X. And you can check out token metrics for yourself. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin, after breaking out from this downtrend, we can see that right now it still does have a bit of room to go before we reach the upper band of this 6-month plus trend that Bitcoin has been in. But momentarily, Bitcoin has hit the first target of a breakout of a descending wedge right here. Once it broke out at 26, 31 was pretty much programmed in where we saw that first resistance. Now, it may take some time to break above there, but there are some interesting things worth noting. So, looking at Bitcoin, always playing out similarly pre-halving, we have generally a drawdown 50, 40, 30, 20%, and then hitting the pre-halving target we'll be talking about later in the episode. As a matter of fact, right now, people have somewhat of a short memory, even though it doesn't feel like it's a short time. It's been over a year since Terra Luna, 3 Hours Capital, etc. Bitcoin's year-over-year return bottomed at negative 76% right there amidst the FTX debacle in November. It recently flipped positive and is now at 31%. We believe it's been enough time that we can rally now, and this is from Dan Moorhead from Pantera Capital. Guess what? People have forgotten about the worst things. The log MACD on a monthly chart right now having a bullish crossover. Historically, this bullish cross coincides pretty closely with the breakout from the downtrend right before parabolic runs. We're in the same area where it's been enough time since the bad stuff and it's time for good things to happen. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin's EMA, the 10, 20, 50, and 100 bundle, diverges during a bear market. They converge when the bear market comes to an end, like we saw back here at the end of 2015, where all these lines come together once again. Bitcoin starts a new bull market once it forms and breaks the confluence. We can see the confluence right here, Bitcoin breaking out from that confluence, indicating the beginning of the bull market, likely to continue to just have a rise upwards along the 20 SMA, like we saw here in 2016, where Bitcoin just finds support on there, bounces off there, finds support, bounces off, finds support. We've already found support on there twice, and likely to continue in the same upwards direction to where, well, generally Bitcoin hits the fair value price at the halving. We can see each halving. Halving 3, Bitcoin was right at the center line, fair value. Halving 2, Bitcoin was just above the fair value. Halving 1, Bitcoin was just at the fair value. Well, right now, fair value is roughly around $40,000, maybe a little bit higher as the price goes up towards that. But that's the territory that Bitcoin is looking at, because we have, once again, here's 2013, here's 2020, here's 2023, breakout from descending wedge, and look what happens afterwards. Giant parabolic run. This time will be no different. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin right now back above the monthly EMA 21 line, one of the most important lines. As long as Bitcoin holds above it, there's no reason shouldn't make it to the upper black band around $50,000, the same in 2019 and 2016 here. And as expected, Bitcoin's exploding upwards after retesting the moving average ribbons as support. When this happens, you can see what happens next. We have breakout, retest, and a powerful bull run each time for Bitcoin, likely to be this time as well. So buckle your seatbelts. Things could get explosive in the near future. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
if you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.